Welcome to MarketPeeker. Today we're going to explain Forex in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Forex is and why it matters. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's a big global marketplace where people trade different countries' money. Imagine a giant playground where everyone's swapping currencies. In Forex, you always trade currencies in pairs. For example, you might trade US dollars for euros. When you buy one currency, you're selling another at the same time. The aim is to make money from changes in how much one currency is worth compared to another. Lots of different people and groups use Forex. Big banks and financial companies, businesses that work in different countries, governments, and regular people like you and me. Here's an important point. Corporations, individuals, and traders can all make money by trading currency pairs. They try to buy a currency when it's cheaper and sell it when it's worth more. Forex is super important because it helps people buy and sell things in different countries. It decides how much one country's money is worth compared to another's. It gives people a chance to make money by trading currencies. What makes Forex special? You can trade anytime, day or night, Monday to Friday. It's easy to buy and sell quickly. You can use something called leverage to trade more money than you have, but be careful with this. Remember, Forex can be risky. Currency values can change quickly. You can lose money, especially if you use leverage. You need to understand what's happening in the world to trade well. If you're interested in trying Forex, learn as much as you can about how currencies work. Practice with fake money first. Many websites let you do this. When you start with real money, start small and be careful. If you want to learn more about Forex, you're in the right place. You can watch our Forex tutorials right here on MarketPeeker. We'll teach you everything you need to know to get started. Remember, Forex can be exciting, but always be careful and keep learning.